Have you been told that you have to wait 7 long years after a bankruptcy or foreclosure before you can ever dream of owning a home again? Welcome back to Shop Your Mortgage and VA Mortgage Specialist. That 7-year rule applies to conventional loans. But the VA loan program is far more forgiving because it understands that life happens. In fact, for a Chapter 7 bankruptcy or a foreclosure, the seasoning period, the time you have to wait, is typically only 2 years from the discharge date. Even better, if you filed for Chapter 13 bankruptcy and have made 12 months of on-time payments, you can often buy a home while you are still in the bankruptcy plan with trustee approval. This is a massive lifeline for veterans who have hit a rough patch but are back on their feet. Do I let a loan officer who only knows conventional rules tell you no when the VA guidelines say yes? We specialize in these manual underwrite files to help you rebuild your American dream faster. Visit vamortgagespecialist.com to check your specific dates and subscribe to learn how to bounce back from anything.